Oh my god. EAS 1000. And I can't believe I've actually hit it.
High wind warning for the following counties in North Dakota: Adams, Billings, Bowman, Dunn, Golden Valley, Hettinger, Sloat, and Stark. High wind warning in effect from 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, or 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening to 6 a.m. Central Standard Time, or 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. What? Northwest winds to 40 miles per hour with gusts to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Western North Dakota. When? From 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, or 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening to 6 a.m. Central Standard Time, or 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: light snow is possible tonight into Thursday morning. If snow does occur, it can combine with the high winds to significantly impact visibility. Fasten loose objects or shelter objects in a safe location prior to the onset of winds. Use caution if you must drive.
So yeah. On January 13th, 2021, which is today, I hit 1,000 EASs on my channel.